annual haircut day. It was the annual haircut day for Sringeri Srinivas. Sringeri Srinivas left home as usual to go to the local barber. But the barber said, "Today, I have no time to cut such long hair." Feeling sad, Sringeri Srinivas went back home to ask his wife for help. But his wife said, "Today, I have no time to cut such long hair." Feeling a little angry, Sringeri Srinivas went to his friend, the tailor. But the tailor said, "Today, I have no time to cut such long hair." Now a little worried, Sringeri Srinivas went to one more friend, the carpenter. But the carpenter said, "Today, I have no time to cut such long hair." Poor Sringeri Srinivas. It seemed no one would cut his hair on this annual haircut day. In tears, he walked off by himself past the village forest. He sat near a cave and cried loudly. The day is nearly over. How can I keep my promise to cut my hair? Oh God, help me! The tiger sleeping peacefully inside the cave was very disturbed by all the noise. He came out, roaring, waving his giant paws at Sringeri Srinivas. Poor Sringeri Srinivas was so scared that all the hair fell off his head. Sringeri Srinivas ran all the way back to the village. The tiger went back to sleep. Now, Sringeri Srinivas will not need a haircut for a very long time.